Hi, I'm Dave Harmeyer, and this is another 1-minute library life hack. Let's go to the library's main page for a library tour. Going to apu.edu/library. First, let's look at how you can make an appointment with a subject specialist librarian. Click under Research Appointments. Choose a modality, either in person or through a Zoom meeting video call. Then on the left, you'll see a list of those librarians that you can make an appointment with. Second, you can chat with an academic reference librarian any time of the day or night. By clicking on the word chat, here you have a choice to chat with a Stamps Theological Librarian or a librarian from the Marshburn and Darling libraries. By typing in your name, your email, your status, and your question. Click on Start Chat, and you'll get a librarian in a couple of seconds. Third, you can access full-text peer-reviewed articles by clicking on Articles and Databases, then browse by subject. Find your subject area, then click on Search. Finally, you can access full-text eBooks on your topic by clicking on Books and Media, typing in your topic, click Search. On the next page, limit by clicking on View Entire Collection and clicking on eBooks, then click Search. I'm Dave Harmeyer, and this has been a 1-minute library life hack.